Mga kaibigan, song coming from Silent Sanctuary, Bumalik Ka Lang Sa Akin. At habang naghahanda tayo ng sulat sa ating the letter portion, wala lang mga kaibigan, medyo nabilaukan lang yung computer ko dito, kaya eto, wait lang, ikakarga ko lang yung ating intro for our the letter portion. If you want to be part of this portion, you can go to the website www.loveradio.com.ph, write me that letter at i-share mo sa amin yan. Baka sakaling mabasa ko yan for tonight. If not, di kung hindi ngayong gabi at galing sa puso yung sulat na yan, I'm sure gagaan ng pakiramdam mo. It doesn't matter mabasa ng taong iyan, yung sulat na iyan, or makarating sa kanya, yung sulat na iyan. What matters the most is galing sa puso and matutupad na exactly yung purpose ng paggawa ng sulat, which is to be honest to yourself. Mga kaibigan, the letter portion po tayo.
The letter. The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Watching the shadows burning in the dark, and I'm in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own dream.
For tonight, our first letter is Leia Rose. At ang sulat ay para kay Derek, si Leia Rose ay 28 from Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. At si Derek naman ay 35, nasa San Pedro, Laguna ngayong gabi nito. Mga kaibigan, ang kabuuan ng letter ni Leia Rose for Derek. Pakinggan po natin.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Mga kaibigan, sabi ng sulat ni Leia Rose for Derek. Hi, Drek.
The letter.
Basta ka na. Matagal na tayong hindi nag-uusap. 7 years na rin tayong hindi nagkikita. At siguro, hindi na talaga tayo magkikita. Derek, I just want to say sorry sa lahat ng nagawa ko. Sorry din kung hindi ko tinupad yung promises ko before ako umalis diyan sa Pilipinas. Kung ano man yung nababalitaan mo sa akin, dito, totoo lahat yan. Hindi ko lang maamin sa iyo. Gusto ko kasi pag uwi ko na lang, sana ipagtapat ko sa iyo ang lahat, pero wala na akong mukhang ihaharap sa iyo. Derek, I wish and I pray na makakita ka ng isang babae na mamahalin ka at magbibigay sa iyo ng isang buong pamilya na hindi ko kayang ibigay sa iyo. Siguro dahil na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, kaya nawala ang love ko sa iyo. Unfair naman sa'yo kung magsasama pa tayo nang wala ng love. Sorry talaga sa lahat. Sorry sa lahat-lahat. Sana pag nagkita tayo, maging maayos ang lahat at maintindihan mo ako kahit papano. Derek, God bless you. At ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo. Derek, coming from Leia Rose.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping, if only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Mga kaibigan, sulat ng isang taong alam kung ano ang degree ng pagkakamali na gawa niya o sakit na naidulot sa isang taong once upon a time nagmahal sa kanya. When we fall in love, mga kaibigan, it's an admission that isa sa mga pagkakataon magkasama kayo ng taong yan, intentional or not, you're going to hurt that person. It's inevitable that you can hurt someone, and sometimes that pain may reflect a lifetime of being hurt. Then may mga sugat, mga kaibigan, na mababaw, may mga sugat na sobrang lalim. May mga sugat na pwedeng gamutin ng simpleng yakap, simpleng halik, simpleng sorry. May mga sugat, mga kaibigan, na kailangan ng isang bagong magmamahal at isang taong magtuturo sa'yo, panibago ulit na magsasabi sa'yo na ang buhay at ang mundo ay malawak. Na hindi lahat ng kaligayahan ay kayang i-provide ng isang tao, na baka mamaya yung sakit na ibinigay sa'yo ng taong minahal mo ng labis na hindi ka nagantihan ng isak na pagmamahal ay mapunan ng taong hindi mo nakikita, nakapaligid lang pala sa'yo. Mga kaibigan, tawag sa akin over 832-6171 or 1-800-10-105-683. It's a letter from song from Indecent Obsession, mga kaibigan, Fixing a Broken Heart. Maraming salamat, Leo Rose, for writing sa ating portion of the letter. And good luck. Kay Derek naman, kung nakikinig ka, Brad, I hope you'll be able to find that next person in your life who can teach you, who can make you believe that it's okay to be hurt because you need to fall in love again.
There was nothing to say the day she left. I just filled a suitcase full of regrets. I hailed a taxi in the rain, looking for some place to ease the pain. Oh, then like an answered prayer, I turned around and found you there. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart, fixing a broken heart. And now I don't understand what I'm going through. There must be a plan that led me to you, because the hurt just disappears in every moment that you are near. Yeah, just like an answered prayer, you make the loneliness easy to bear. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart, fixing a broken heart. Soon the rain will stop falling, baby, and I'll forget the past, 'cause here we are at last. You really know where to start, fixing the broken heart. You really know what to do. Your emotional tools can cure any fool whose dreams have fallen apart, fixing a broken heart, fixing a broken heart.
Don't hold back anymore. Because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter. With your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.